It's Friday evening and you are all headed out with your friends for a night full of fun. You all like different drinks, but the only thing that you have in common is that you want to start the night with a bottle of beer. But how does the bottle come into your hands? Can you take hundreds of these bottles to your home? Let's find out. Welcome to the journey of that beer bottle. First off, India is a very large and diverse country. It's made up of 37 states and union territories. Operating in India, it's like operating in 37 different countries because of different laws and different culture. On the other hand, alcohol in India is a very complex legal affair. First, it's prohibited to be promoted by the constitution. You cannot sell alcohol and there is no direct advertisement that is allowed. Secondly, India is a legal minefield when it comes to selling alcohol. To move one shipment, one single bottle of beer from one state to another, you need somewhere between 10 to 15 licenses. Now some fun facts. Let's say you are having your favorite bottle of beer, which costs around, let's say, $100. Out of this $100, $50 will go directly to the government in form of taxes. And then another $40 will be spent in producing the beer and sending it to the retailer. Then the company ends up with only $10 out of these 100 in its coffers. So naturally, alcohol is one of the top 3 sources of income for Indian government. Now let's say you are sitting in a pub in Bangalore, Kormangla, you're having your favorite bottle of beer by the name of Kira. And let's say this Kira bottle was manufactured in a factory in Maharashtra, right? So what are the steps? How does this bottle end up in your hands from Maharashtra to your pub in Bangalore? So the first step is that the company has to register the exact same label with the same design specification, same shape in Maharashtra. And this will take somewhere between 2 to 3 weeks. The next step is once this is done, the same label has to go for registration with the Karnataka government. This time it will take minimum 4 weeks. Once the label registrations are done, then you are legally clear to import the beer. Unless you place an import order at the Karnataka excise, an order with the government to import the beer from Maharashtra into the state of Karnataka. The next step is that you will have to apply for another export permit from the Maharashtra government. Once both these export permits and import permits are in your hands, the company will load the beer as per this specific requirement and specific order quantity onto a truck, and the truck will also need to have a transport permit. Then the truck reaches the Karnataka warehouse, government warehouse. So all these warehouses, they are controlled by the government in most of the states. And then finally the retailer, in this case the Bangalore pub in Kormangla where you were having your drink, they will place an order with the government warehouse or government distributor, and then finally your bottle of beer will be transferred to the pub in Bangalore. And this is how that bottle ended up in your hands. Thanks for watching and do let me know your comments below.